In the last 7 episodes, we have gone through a virtual journey, a journey through time and exotic places.
We saw that despite distance, time, and environmental barriers, humans and their mythologies around the world have a lot more in common than what meets the common eye.
Ask us about the uniqueness of any place or culture, and we'll jump at the opportunity. But if we are to ask anyone about similarities, most of us will resort to generic statements like humans across seek love, belongingness, and so on. What most of us miss out is that the age-old stories which have shaped our culture and make us ours are also very similar.
As we had mentioned in the intro video of this season, the cultures and mythologies across the globe are akin to the different spectrum of lights in a rainbow. But the essence that, at the end, all of us are just the same is the white light, or the light of unity.
And this is also the meaning of our tagline, Namodhayam Eva Satyam, one line in which we believe and have also used at the end of each episode. It is a Sanskrit phrase which means multiple names but singular truth.
And with this, we conclude Season 1, Season of Mythological Rainbows. We will meet you all soon with Season 2, the Season of Mythologies and Languages. Till then, keep looking out for similarities and not uniqueness.
Namodhayam
Eva
Eva
Satyam.
Satyam.